Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I am here to share my top 10 tips for packing smartly, and I'm sure you will benefit out of it. These tips I have learned over the years, and trust me guys, this has saved me a lot of time, space and money. And I am here to share with you all those tips and tricks that I have learned. And now, without further ado, I'll be jumping right into the video. We'll start with tip number one. My tip number one is to invest in a good quality suitcases. I know guys, you will be thinking, come on, we can do with any good trolley bags or suitcases, but no. I used to have few suitcases that were not that good quality, that were made of like fabric material, and the fabric weighed so much. It was like almost 7 kgs, the entire weight of the suitcase, and after which you wouldn't have lots of space left for your own stuff. And if you're traveling with domestic airways like Indigo or SpiceJet, you just have 15 kgs weight limit.
Now these trolley bags are super lightweight and they are like more durable. They are from a brand called Swiss Gear and its weight is 2.7 kgs only. And I don't know why, but these seem to have a lot more space and they are more durable in the long run. They come with like 5-year damage warranty, and I got these with huge discounts too. And they are very good looking, as you can see. This has an easy lock system and the zippers are of really good quality. And the size is medium and has an extension to fit more. I'll just open this up and I'll show it to you guys. Like, it can fit so much. Guys, please invest in a good quality suitcases. It will save you so much time and money in the long run. And if you see here, these have like lots of space and it's more durable. Now my tip number 2 is to use these type of travel pouches that are available online and pack your clothes or accessories in various different categories. I'm using this particular pouch, which I think is the largest one, to pack my son's indoor clothes and night suits. I was like able to easily pack 10 clothes in this pack. I bought it from Amazon, and everything I show here in this video, I will link everything in the description box. So go check it out. These travel pouches are really good. This is another travel pack which has these buckles too, so things are more secure, and the cover is transparent for all these travel packs, which you'll be able to see like what you're packing inside. And all these comes in different sizes. You can keep your jeans or pants in one and shirts or tops in another one, or you can pack undergarments or shoes in one. This will be like so much easier to find or unpack later and will like make your life easy while traveling, I promise. Just wanted to show you like how these fit inside the suitcases, and look how easy it is. Now my next tip is to again invest in travel size toiletries to save space, or you can just buy these reusable plastic bottles which are available online and are really cheap. I'm using these tiny bottles to put like oil, cream, powder, etc. that I use on my son. And I have this cute little box for clips and all. I also threw a mini tissue paper pack with this. And I use a travel pouch to put all the toiletries inside, and this pouch came with my son's thermal wear and I saved it to reuse it like this. My next tip is to keep a medical kit for babies with you wherever you travel, because babies can fall ill anytime and anywhere, and I always keep few things handy for my son. I'm certainly not a doctor, and I'm not suggesting any of these medicines that I'm like showing you here. These are just those that works on my child and may not work on yours. So I recommend to pack medicines that works on your kid for common problems prescribed by pediatricians, and the same goes for your medicines as well. Next is a very valuable tip, guys, is to please invest in a good weighing scale. This one that I have here is from Trippin, and I have been using this for years now. It's super simple to use and can weigh up to like 50 kgs. You just have to switch it on here by pressing it for a few seconds. Then hook it up to your luggage bag and pull it up. You can either use a backpack, or if you don't want to carry one, you can simply use these type of electronic or laptop carrier. This I bought it from Amazon and is from the brand Chumbak. I like Chumbak products. They are so vibrant. It comes with a zipper as well as handles to carry it in hand if you want. You can get it in various different prints. I like this one cause it has a quirky prints of various cities of India. That's really cool. So I chose this one. If you see, it has yellow and blue color theme. It's really pretty. It can fit all these things in here super easily. And oh, I also wanted to show you this travel case for your passports and other travel documents, which is really cool. You can also keep pen, that is so useful during immigration and all, and also has like multiple card and passport holders. This is very useful while traveling. I'm putting all these things in here, my laptop, charger, etc. But you can lighten it up as you wish, and you have so much room in here. You can fit all these things inside it. I've zipped it up, and now you can easily put this either inside your backpack or hand luggage, and you can just take this out during security check-in, and if you want to use your laptop inside the flight and all. This is like a very funny tip, but still really useful. Any items that are bulky or weighs too much, but if you can wear it, guys, it will save you so much of space, I'm telling you. Like this sweatshirt, your sports shoes, or this bulky headset, you can wear it, be comfy during travel, and save lots of space. This tip you probably might be following already, but I think it is really useful. If you can just press or iron your clothes, you will find so much more space. In order to keep your jewelry safe and detangled, you can use these cute little pouches to keep all your jewelry that you would want to take with you while you're traveling. It comes in various different sizes, and again, I will link everything down in the description below. You can see how I have placed the jewelry to keep it detangled. I know this seems to be a lot of effort, but this will give you lifelong benefit always. Do you also face problems when you want to take these giant bottles of lotion or shampoos while traveling for longer duration? Obviously, the small bottles I showed earlier won't do. One option is to send these bottles online directly to the destination, and if that option is not really possible, then what should we do? Ta-da! You might want to consider this type of liquid safe bags. You won't believe how much this little bag can fit. I have been using this nearly 10 years now, and it's still good as new. I will try and find this online and link it down below for you guys. Look how dirty it is. I have been using it for so long now, but it's still good. You can fit more bottles inside this bag. It can still hold its shape. It's very good. You can also put glass items and nail polishes that could spill inside your baggage inside these. And yeah, and it also has another pocket on top. This is so easy to travel with, and you can take it to washrooms and hang it there for convenience. These are other toiletry bags I have. You can put your makeup too in these. These are really good quality items and are not expensive at all. This one I got it for free when I purchased M Caffeine body lotion, and it's really good quality. I don't know if the offer is still available. I'll check it and link it below.
That's all guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video and the packing tips that I've shared with you, and I hope you gained some insights with these. Please make sure to check out the description box with all the links that I have shared today in the video. I will see you soon in my next video, and till then, bye bye guys.